Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to change your PIN on your Green Dot card using the app in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security or just forgot your old PIN, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Green Dot has made some awesome updates this year, making the process even smoother and more secure with enhanced biometric options. So, let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of the Green Dot app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Once you're in, you'll need to log in with your current credentials. That's your username and password, or maybe even a fingerprint scan if you've set that up. Security is key, especially in 2025. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Settings or Account Security icon, usually represented by a gear or shield. Tap on that, and it should take you to a menu where you can manage your personal details. Scroll down until you find the Change PIN option. It's prominently featured now in the 2025 update for easier access. Once you select Change PIN, the app will prompt you to enter your current PIN for verification. Type that in carefully. Then, you'll be asked to create a new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Remember, make it something memorable but not obvious, like your birth year or a favorite number. After entering your new PIN, you'll have to confirm it by typing it in again. For added security, the app might require a secondary verification, such as a fingerprint, Face ID, or a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Hit Submit, and voila! You'll get a confirmation message that your PIN has been successfully changed. It takes just a few seconds, and you're all set. One quick tip. Always log out after making changes, and keep an eye on your transaction history for any unauthorized activity. If you run into any issues, like the app freezing or an error message, try restarting your phone or contacting Green Dot support through the app. There you have it. Changing your Green Dot PIN is straightforward and secure in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.